Hello, Cookie Leaf class. Welcome to my virtual living room and my home kitchen. This video will help you prep for your cooking day. You are cooking lemon garlic broccoli in 3 ways in connection with our dry, moist, and combination cooking methods we are learning in our class. You will not need iPad and your binder at all, so please put those on the second shelf, and you need the table space to work today. Everyone will cook, so everyone go wash your hands. And the last person who washes hands get a large mixing bowl and a colander from your cooking station. Set your large mixing bowl and your colander like this. Get the broccoli and start breaking to bite size. You can break it into bigger bite size like that, and then you need to break it into even smaller bite size. Okay, you can do this by hands. It's just so easy, okay? Okay, next you will need to wash your broccoli. Turn on the cold water. And shake it a few times to get rid of the water as much as possible, and you're done. And you are ready to cook. If you are sauteing, add the extra virgin olive oil to it. Turn on the heat to high at first, but you can adjust it down a little bit later. Once this is hot, you can put the garlic in. I don't like it to be burned, so I'm going to put the broccoli in at this point. Keep flipping and moving because garlic is going to stay on the bottom and get burned. Okay, adding the lemon zest now. You matter how much salt and pepper you use. I just going to use the fresh ground pepper and salt. This is pepper that's I'm just going to add a little bit of water and cover it. Now the steam and the saute broccoli is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it into a bowl. If you are at roasting station, you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you mix your extra virgin olive oil, pepper, sea salt, garlic. You can use whatever you like. I tend to do everything with chopsticks. And toss that into your broccoli. Next, you just line a baking sheet completely with parchment paper and put it on the baking sheet. In a single layer, make sure you use a soft tip spatula to get all the seasonings into your broccoli. Make sure they're in a single layer. Next, you just put this in the oven. And time for 15 minutes. Okay, now the roasting broccoli is ready. I'm going to take it out of the oven. That's the roasting broccoli, what it looks like. It smells really good, so we will give it a test. I'm going to transfer the roasting broccoli into the bowl. Squeeze the lemon juice on. If you are at the steaming station, make sure you get water in your bottom pot. How much water? That's a good question. You need to have a little bit head space between your steaming basket and the pot. Just place the broccoli in there. Cover it. Turn on the heat. Timing for 15 minutes. My steaming broccoli is ready. I don't have a dog. You open it this way. You do not open it this way. You open it this way, so it blocks you from get burned by the steam. Now I'm going to transfer the steamed broccoli into the bowl, into the serving bowl. Add the olive oil to the pan. Add garlic. Just slightly golden, don't burn it. Zest. And done. So, and you have to pour this into your broccoli. And season with salt and pepper. Mix it. Be very careful. I'm just telling myself I don't have a bigger bowl anymore, so have to be careful when I mix it. Okay, we are ready. From my kitchen, I can tell the sauteed broccoli has the best color. Next is roasting, and the steamed broccoli can have better color. I set timer as 15. It's a little bit too much. I like my broccoli soft, but if you set at 10 or 12, I think you will have a better color. Let me taste this. Tastes very good. It's soft. Definitely anybody can eat this, even a child. And this is roasted broccoli. Tastes good too. It's just the outside skin is a little bit hard for me. That's the sauteed broccoli. This one texture is definitely the best. Color is the best. The taste, it has more the broccoli flavor than the seasoning. I did this for, now I have 3 bowls of broccoli. I'm going to eat all of them and turn into broccoli on Monday. See you in class.